Hi guys, it's Tracy and today I am back with a Boxy Luxe unboxing. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're a returning watcher, welcome back. Thanks so much for coming back. So we have the Boxy Luxe. This is one that you upgrade from your base box to the Luxe box every 3 months, and it's basically $50. And it's supposed to be $300 value, I believe it is. And you get to pick, I think we got to pick 2 items this time. So you can customize some options every month, and it's pretty cool. So if you are wondering what's on my eyes today, I have the Juvia's Place, what is this? The Magic palette. I hadn't played with this in a very long time. I'm gonna do the eyeshadow palette tag, so I've been looking through my palettes and trying to, like use things I haven't used in a while, which is like my whole collection because I always have something new coming in. So I'm trying to get better about using more, things I haven't used. And then on my lips, I have a Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip in Raisin Immunity, and I have it topped with the Milani Keep It Full lip gloss in Rosewood. So that's what's on my face. And now let's see what's in the box. I haven't looked. It came right after I filmed my Boxy Premium box, of course. Kind of squashed and ripped, but okay. So same little theme, Oasis. We have paper in this one. Okay, first item out of the gate is the Tarte. What is this palette? This is their Tarte Pro Amazon Clay palette, and it says it's $49. So that's the price of the box right there. So not too shabby, really nice, pretty packaging. And there's what the palette looks like. It's kind of hard to see with all the gold going on. It smells like chocolate. It's really pretty. So it's mostly mattes. You have 16 mattes and then 4 shimmer shades. So for you matte lovers out there, you'll probably really enjoy this. And I will be giving it a shot during the month. I always come back next month and let you know what I thought about the items. Another brush set, you guys. This is Billion Dollar Brows Charcoal Brush Set. Okay. Yesterday, I got a brush, and then I went back to look and see how many brushes I've got in just this year. So here's a brush set. Then last month, I believe, let me see. In April, April 2020, I got an Opulent Beauty 3-piece brush set. I gave that to my daughter. Then last month, I got the Baddington Beauty brush set. Then in February, I got the Alamar 3-piece brush set. And the brush that was in yesterday in the premium box. So I have received 4 sets of face brushes just this year alone. Who needs this many brushes? I wish they would pay attention to the beauty quizzes that they keep telling us we need to fill out, because I'm pretty sure I went back and I looked to make sure that, is there something going on where I'm saying send me brushes every month? There's not. I put that I prefer to receive beauty tools or brushes rarely. And I've gotten 4 sets just this month, just this year, plus the dual-ended brush that was in the premium box the same month as this. Plus I got an eye set one of the months, which I didn't include. I was just looking for face products. So another brush set. This is ridiculous. This says it's the charcoal 5-piece brush set, and they say this is $55. Says these are vegan, cruelty-free, synthetic, charcoal infused for an antimicrobial effect, allowing a flawless makeup and eyeshadow application. So they're just getting carried away with the brushes, I believe, here. Let's see. So we have like 3 eye brushes. I would say those are all eye brushes. 1 contour face brush, and then like a powder brush, blush brush, bronzer brush, something like that. It says they're antimicrobial. That is probably good for people that don't wash their brushes a lot because if it helps keep germs away. So I don't know, I may pass these on as well because I just do not need any more brushes. So let's see, next up we have the Kylie Skin, which I think everybody got this, and the Tarte palette. So this is just the foaming face wash that she doesn't actually use herself, that she faked when she was showing an Instagram video. She had like her full face of makeup and she bent over and acted like she was washing her face, and she had a white towel and she went and she like blotted her face off, and you could see the makeup all over the white towel, and everybody's like, wow, she doesn't even want to use her own product. So this says it is the foaming face wash. It's a luxurious foaming face wash. Mister is here. And infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. And it is a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. $24. Wow, that's some expensive face wash. Let's see what this is. Bodyography lip pencil. I haven't heard the best about these Bodyography pencils. It says that these are $28. And the lid is stuck inside there. So that's what it looks like. Let's see. You have to press pretty hard with these to get them to show up. So let's see. This shade is Rosewood. And this shade is Pouty. So we'll try them out and we'll see how they work. And it says that this is $28. That's a lot of money. I like the Kokie Cosmetics ones. Those are like my most favorite ones, and they're $6. Okay, next up we have the Pure Heals Propolis 80 sleeping mask. So we got a sleeping mask in the premium box, and now we have another sleeping mask in the Luxe box. So it says that this is an enriched sleeping mask providing full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping. The propolis extract forms a water oil protective barrier that soothes irritated sensitive skin. So it looks like if you have sensitive skin, it might be good for you. It says that this is $55. Comes with a little scoop. That's always nice, so you don't have to stick your fingers in. It looks like it leaked all over the... Oh yeah, it leaked. I'm not even gonna open it now. The box has... I don't know if you can see that, where it leaked inside. So we'll have to do some cleanup work on that guy. So $55. That's a lot of money. Okay, next here, this is a choice item that I chose because the choices were not anything that I really wanted. So I was like, okay, what's the one I would want the most of the things I don't want? And it was this Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. It says this balm stick delivers a lit from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines around the eyes. You'll feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized, so you can glow and get it, girl. $28. So it's just, I think I bought something like this from Hard Candy, and I think I decluttered it. Let's see here. It's just a little protector. Do I smell anything? Very faint. I can't really put my finger on what it is. I don't know. We'll have to let you know. You'll have to tell me throughout the month if my fine lines have gone under my eyes. And then, maybe it'll be a good product. And then, what is this? Pure Lease Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. Says complexion perfection for a gorgeous matte meets dewy finish. Your multitasking beauty balm glides on like a tinted moisturizer with all the age-defying coverage and skincare benefits of a foundation and a BB cream. $35. Says for all skin types, even sensitive. They sent me the color tan. Okay, tan, like real people. Oh my God, are you freaking kidding me? Yeah. I don't think that's gonna go on my skin. This will probably be a pass on. That's way, way too tan. I mean, really? Let's see, here's a card. Do they tell you the options of the shades that they could have sent? I wonder what the other options are. Because how do they... I have it on my profile that I am a light medium. This is tan. Everybody says they don't read they don't read the beauty quizzes, so... I'm beginning to, well, I've always known that actually, but I mean, some of the stuff, it's like, come on, really? Like tan for my skin? Like, really? Okay, what's up, mister? Next up, last product. Another choice product, which the choices were not great, so I chose this one. This is a Swell, what's it called? Swell stainless steel bottle, 17 ounces. It says it features a triple layer vacuum insulated construction designed to keep beverages cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12. Made with 18/8 food grade stainless steel with superior construction that allows for refilling and reusing easily to reduce the need for single-use plastic bottles. Hand wash only, $35. Ooh, they sent me a nice color. Really nice color. So I can use this. Nice. Might end up being one of the best things in the box. Because I use the Starbucks, the plastic reusable cups that you get with the straw in them. They're clear, and I had gotten one that had a mermaid on it. I had the plain one, and then I had the mermaid one. And the other day, I dropped it on my kitchen floor after I had just filled it with water. And it dropped, it cracked the whole thing, and I was like, no, because I have two of them. So then, like, if I'm drinking out of one and that one gets a little bit warm, I can swap them. And I'm like, dude, I need another one now. Like, I don't even know if they still sell them now. So I needed to find an alternative, so maybe this is my alternative. So that will be great if it is. Let's see. Let's get let me know what you guys think. If you guys all get Boxycharm, Boxy Luxe, Boxy Premium, Boxies, let me know what shade they sent you in the Pure Lease so I know if there were other shades available or if they just said, oh, we have tan, let's send it to everybody. And let me know what you guys think about the brushes. I mean, I love brushes. I have tons of brushes, but like you keep sending them like every month. I've gotten 4 sets of face brushes this year alone. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys feel the same way I do or what. See, I think these prices on this stuff is very highly inflated as well. And $28. So we came in at $309. So was supposed to be a $300 value, so they brought it over by $9. So let's see, the thing I think I'm most excited about is the bottle. Believe it or not, like who knew that Tracy would be excited about the water bottle coming in her Boxy Luxe this month. And then I'm excited to give this Tarte palette a try. I didn't get the other one that they sent out. I wasn't quick enough on the choice day. You have to be there like waiting to get the best stuff to choose. Kylie, I'll use it. It's not like, I mean, it's just a cleanser. I'll probably use it in the morning when my face is already clean and I don't really need to wash my face. This Tula, we'll see how it works, how it is. This makes me laugh. I actually do have some whitening drops, so maybe I can lighten it up a little bit. The Bodyography lip pencils, And then the last thing here is this another brush set. So $309 value for $50. I think we got our money's worth, but you guys know I always come back next month. I let you know what I think about all the products, if I've tried them or if I've ended up gifting them, because lots of the things that if I don't, like I say, oh, I didn't try that out, is things that I know I'm not going to use, and I don't need to open things if I know it's not going to get used or I don't need it. Let's face it, I don't need anything, right? But it's fun. That's why I keep getting it. It's like I have FOMO that if I cancel, then I'm going to be like, oh my God, I missed that box. So I kind of have that FOMO that if I cancel, then like the next month, there'll be something really good. Are you guys like that? Tell me what you guys think, what you guys got. Like, what do you guys think about all these brushes coming and about the beauty quizzes? I think not enough people let Boxycharm know what they really think. Because if you go on the reviews, everything's just 5 hearts. I don't think people let them know, or when you do email them, they don't answer you back, or like they don't care. If you're sending in a complaint, it's like, yeah, whatever. So I think that they just don't listen to people. Like when we complain and say, you guys aren't using the beauty quizzes. If I write and complain and say, why did you send me a tan BB cream when I'm clearly light and I have that on my beauty quiz? Why are you sending me brush sets every month when I told you I rarely want to receive brushes? So I think we all need to band together and let Boxycharm know whatever your complaint is. I think we should be letting them know, because if we don't let them know, they're never going to be able to improve or get better. So I'm not, I mean, obviously I've been getting Boxycharm for a long time, so I like it. And I like the, kind of the surprise. And I love now that you can pick items for your box and that they have the add-ons and the pop-up. I think that's really cool, because you can get stuff like maybe you didn't get it in your box and you wanted it. So I do like that aspect as well. But that's going to do it for this Boxy Luxe unboxing. Make sure that you come back next month when I review all the products, and I'll probably review the Boxy Luxe and the Premium together to make it quicker. So if you're not subscribed, make sure to click that subscribe button before you leave, and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is fairly often, 2 to 3, maybe 4 times a week sometimes. I think this week I have 4 videos going up. My Boxycharm review for the May box is going to go up tomorrow, and then I'll have beauty deals on Saturday, so you don't want to miss what's on sale at the drugstore. So I think that's going to do it. I hope that you guys are all having a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.